forever, ever hold or never mind. Oh,
My beautiful Leos, how are you guys doing? I'm sure you guys are doing well. Let's see what we have in store for my Leos. Okay, so I'm going to pull out a Moonology oracle for you for upcoming July. What are the energies playing, supporting you? Okay, so I deal in Vedic and Western both. You watch your sun, moon, and rising for a clear picture. All my information is in the description box. Kindly have a look, like, and subscribe if you have not. I'm going to pull out a Moonology oracle. Show the messages, Mike. Gabriel for the highest good for my Leos watching. Cross watchers, please use your inner compass. And Leos, those who are watching, those who are resonating, please watch your sun, moon, and rising for a clear picture. Okay. So what is the moon oracle? Progress. They show me progress, Leos. Some of you have been praying. Yeah, have you been praying? Michael says, yeah, they are praying. Let's see, what do we have to see for our Leos? With progress, I think it is about joyful atmosphere, really, right? And with this, it is a new romantic cycle begins, new moon in Libra. Maybe you're dealing with the Libra Leos, or maybe you have that in your chart, like air element in your chart. It's about think more, No. Maybe you guys are doing that. You're thinking more and feeling less. And they're advising that, feel more. Think less, Leos. Okay. So I'm going to clarify this to you on the way as we go, pulling the tarot from the lights here. Do pray if you're not, because, your intuition is not on point right now. And your intuition, once it starts working, you can expect unexpected results, Leos. Okay. So a new romantic cycle begins, maybe that you've been in a relationship that felt right but did not pan out the way you had planned. You're already in an equation that you're contemplating whether to be in or not. Could be a partnership also in regard to work. But they're saying a new cycle is beginning. So something is ending, of course, right? So this full moon, maybe you've released something, you've let go of something. Let's see what that is. But there's progress. So yeah, you can't hold on to the past, right? You have to move on, and that is the only way. So let's see, what do you need to see in regard to a new romantic cycle begins for July. My Leos, what are the messages Michael Gabriel show me for the highest good for Leos watching, resonating? Thank you, my guardian angel, for respect, guys. Show me the messages for Leos. Some of you are very stubborn, Leos. They show me like stubborn. It's good to be dedicated, but it's not good to be stubborn. There's a difference. Remind that to yourself. For someone out there. Leos. My Leos, what do you need to see? What are the upcoming energies? What is the tarot advising? 9 of Wands, yes. You're feeling, this is the core energy, you're holding it, you've been contemplating, your boundaries are up, you are or you have this full moon release something that felt right but was not right. So you've raised the bar now and you're trying to think from a different mindset, because you want to invite positive, healthy opportunities in your life. You don't like to be controlled. And someone here seems very controlling. Could be you or could be the person you're thinking about, asking about. You need to have that sense of balance. So Libra stands for balance. So what else with the 9 of Wands? This is your core energy. There are too many. I couldn't pull them. Leos. What do we need to see for Leos? Yeah. 6 of Swords, yes, and this seemed very heavy, and you're moving towards like calmer waters. You are in that state where you're saying that, I need to balance myself out to think more clearly. So that is why this showed me initially progress. So you're going forward. You are re-evaluating certain things in life. Could be work, could be relationships, because maybe you've teamed up with somebody in business or work that you felt was great but is not in longevity. And as a pair, they're saying that it might not be very fruitful, because whatever lesson you had to learn or learning you had to learn, you've taken it. With the Chariot, which is Cancer energy for me strongly, it is about that you just have to move forward, and you need to have that balance with the yin and the yang kind of balance. Yeah, soulmate energy, so you need to balance it out and figure out really well that whether you want to go forward with it or not. Because for some, you could be engaged or married as well, and or there's a third party situation, and there could be legal issues if you do not check it, if you do not pay attention. Pay attention, lot more of it. That's what they're telling me. With the wheel, yes, it's time. It's completing. Post 9, there's time, this sense of balance. Maybe dealing with somebody whose name starts with TRAVSH. So they're saying that sense of balance is coming because you've been in this anticipation zone with the Two of Wands, right? With the Six of Swords, you're still waiting, expecting for things to change for the better, because it seemed very right to you in regard to work, in regard to love, relationship. It seemed very right, but they're saying that, that's why they said feel more, think less, or, either which way. You have to think more and feel less now, so that you can take the right decision, because you're not paying attention to your signs or syncs or angels giving you messages, etc. You're not paying attention. You're not giving that attention. And with the Empress, they're saying that you can bring about that change. This is Cancer, this is Libra, this is Aquarius. They're saying that you can bring it about. Whatever you want, you can bring it about. But pay attention to the appearances and understand that what people have, right? She's birthing something. So you should know what you're thinking about. So even if you're manifesting, manifest from the right space. If you manifest, say, by asking to harm somebody and then fulfill your wishes, they will never happen. Never ever happen, because then you will be stuck in this state always, in the labyrinth. With the Two of Pentacles, you will be struggling. And you will continue to struggle. So honestly, how I really see this panning out for you is that it's a very positive kind of reading. Something new is going to happen in your life that would change your perspective. With the wheel, the Jupiterian energy, it's going to change the way you've been seeing or you've been treated. A lot of control issues, a lot of disturbances, but you're coming out of it. You're saying, I'm going towards the calmer waters. With the Six of Swords, the Two of Wands, you're eagerly waiting, because you know exactly what you are wanting. But the warning is that you're not actually doing it from the balanced state. So align your head and heart so that you can, do things from that space. And do reach out to people you want to talk to and tell them clearly. Work on your throat chakra, on your heart chakra, so that you can set the scales even. With the Libran energy, you can do that. Maybe you're dealing with Cancer, maybe you're dealing with an Aquarius, as I said, could be a co-fire sign, possibly a Libra, definitely, and Gemini, yes. So there's a lot of air that I see, and yeah, Cancer, Aquarius, I definitely see. So, and I don't see, as I said, much of Pentacles. So yeah, your focus needs to be more aligned as to what you're wanting, right? So team up with people who value you, who keep you balanced, who don't feel threatened by you, who don't question you, who don't judge you, and who support you because they understand you and they value you. So it's about bringing about the joyful understanding. It's about bringing about that harmony. Okay, and saying, you know what, I want my financials to get back into shape, because your finances seem to be a little in question, right? So let's see, what do we have to see from the notes from the universe? What is the universe finally trying to communicate to you? Your bank account will be okay. So will be your family. So nothing to really worry about. Notes from the universe, Gabriel, for my Leos watching. Maybe you have a dog who's barking right now for some. Or maybe you're fond of animals. You love animals. Invite harmony. Okay. Because whoever you're dealing with or asking about or thinking about, work, love, whatever, that person is not adding to your peace, sense of peace nahi hai. That sense of peace is missing. You need to invite that back in your life. And if something feels like, oh my god, I can't let it go, trust me, the universe says that obstacles are detours in the right direction. So maybe this is about that calling that you need to take, that decision that finally I have to let this go. Because this is not serving me, this is taking my peace of mind, and I'm much, much more capable of doing what I am supposed to do. Okay, so amazing reading, Leos. I shall see you the next time until eternity. If this resonates, give us a like and subscribe. Grow the channel and do watch your sun, moon and rising for a clear picture. And one last thing, bring things into balance. Okay, bring things into balance. Bye for now.